This video will focus on how to properly adjust your blind spot mirrors. But first, take a look at this scene showing the blind spot mirror in action on the freeway. Here you can see that the vehicle is directly in the rear view mirror. There is no vehicle to the left at the moment. The driver in that vehicle decided to switch lanes to the left to overtake my vehicle. Now the vehicle is visible in the side mirror and not in the blind spot mirror. Suddenly, the vehicle disappears from the side mirror and now appears in the blind spot mirror. There the vehicle goes. Without the blind spot mirror, I would not have been able to see the vehicle without looking over my shoulder, which many drivers do not do enough. I hope you noticed that as soon as the vehicle got out of the range of the side mirror, it got in the range of the blind spot mirror. Not seeing the vehicle in the side mirror and the blind spot mirror at the same time tells that the mirrors are adjusted properly. I will take you through the steps to do so. Keep in mind that the blind spot mirror is just an assistant and you should actually do the work. Stay focused and use your side and blind spot mirrors before turning, switching lanes, and even moving off from a stationary position. Now let's get into adjusting the blind spot mirrors. But if you have not yet installed a blind spot mirror, see link to a video in the description below for those steps. Before adjusting the blind spot mirrors, you will need to first adjust the side mirrors. When adjusting the side mirrors, do not push forward like this when adjusting the mirrors. Ensure that you are seated in a driving position sitting upwards while making the adjustments. Let's properly adjust the side mirrors. The goal is to see as much as possible on each side. First, try to center the mirror in the housing as a starting point. Now to the sky ground adjustment. The mirror should not be directly showing the ground and also should not be directly showing the sky. Adjust the mirrors so you will be able to see 1 to at least 10 or more car lengths behind. To see further, the rear view mirror should be used. Now let's adjust the inner outwards tilt. The mirror should not be tilted too outwards and it should not be tilted too inwards. Tilt the mirror until the rear of the vehicle gets in the range like this. This will give an idea as to how close other vehicles are to your vehicle. Also, seeing how close other vehicles are to your vehicle helps when backing up in small spaces, especially when parking. The rear view camera helps, but it can't help with seeing the side of the car. Therefore, adjust your side mirrors so you'll be able to see the side of your car. Adjust both side mirrors and move on to the blind spot mirrors. Blind spot mirrors are usually curves, which gives a wide angle view, and the best blind spot mirrors are adjustable like this one. The aim here is to tilt the blind spot mirrors outwards until you are seeing areas in the blind spot mirrors that you are not able to see in the side mirror. You can have someone help you with this. You can have the person adjust your blind spot mirrors based on your directions while you sit in the car. Before making adjustments to the blind spot mirror, center it to match the position of the side mirror. At this point, both mirrors will be displaying similar ranges. This is not properly adjusted. To demonstrate, take a look at this clip. This vehicle can be seen in both mirrors here. This adjustment makes the blind spot mirror useless. The mirror should be tilted outwards to the blind spot range. You can test your adjustment by having someone walk at the side of the car while you observe the point the person can no longer be seen in the side mirror and pop in the blind spot mirror. The adjustment is perfect when the person immediately pops in the blind spot mirror after popping out of the side mirror. I will illustrate with a selfie tripod with a yellow cloth at the top. As you can see, the tripod cannot be seen in the blind spot mirror, but it can be seen in the side mirror. I will now walk in the blind spot zone. Now you can see that I am out of the range of the side mirror and now in the blind spot mirror immediately after. Now the blind spot mirror is properly adjusted. Take a look at the blind spot mirror in action again on the freeway. Here you can see that the vehicle is directly in the rear view mirror. There is no vehicle to the left at the moment. The driver in that vehicle decided to switch lanes to the left to overtake my vehicle. Now the vehicle is visible in the side mirror and not in the blind spot mirror. Suddenly, the vehicle disappears from the side mirror and now appears in the blind spot mirror. There the vehicle goes. Without the blind spot mirror, I would not have been able to see the vehicle without looking over my shoulder, which many drivers do not do enough. Not knowing that a vehicle or person is in your blind spot while turning or switching lane can result in tragic accidents. Being able to monitor blind spots can be the difference between life and death. I appreciate that a lot of motor cars are now being equipped with blind spot sensors, blind spot mirrors and optical blind spot cameras. It's unfortunate that some cars are not equipped with any of these, but there are many aftermarket options available. Check out a video in the description below addressing different types of blind spot monitoring system and how to install blind spot mirrors on a vehicle. Again, the blind spot mirror is just an assistant and you should actually do the work. Stay focused and use your side and blind spot mirrors before turning, switching lanes and even moving from a stationary position. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. See you on the next one, guys.